I was having my morning tea. My 5-year-old daughter told me that a bird fell down. I didn't realize at the beginning, but after a while I checked and found the bird was unconscious right there. The bird wanted to get inside the house because there are tons of indoor plant here. It hit the glass window and fell. So I'm very sorry about that. Let me go outside and show where it fell. I found right here. Let me go close. I found him right here. It was unconscious, and I picked him up and put in cardboard box, gave some water, and after about 30 minutes became conscious, and I released in the nature and it flew away. Unfortunately, I didn't remember to take the video at that time because I wanted to take care of the bird first, not video. Let's watch what happened next.
That's me.
What happens? Let's not do anything. Alright, right here. Hey, cardinal. No more than I know.
Does it come out?
Okay, don't do anything, okay? Don't bite me, alright? Oh, don't bite me. Oh, I am.
Angry.
Are you angry, bird? Wow. Is that told you? Single cardinal, I think the male are right here. So let's see what happens. Biting, look. Are you biting me? Don't bite me. Okay. Let's see what happens.
Something move.